Hello everyone, welcome to this Java full course. In this video, I'll give you a quick introduction to what Java is, a short history of Java, and why learning Java is worth your time. Whether you're a complete beginner or someone exploring programming languages, this video will give you a clear understanding of Java. Java is a high-level, object-oriented programming language used to build reliable and scalable software. One of Java's most famous features is its slogan, "Write once, run anywhere." This means Java programs can run on different operating systems like Windows, Mac OS, and Linux without changing the code, as long as the system has the Java Virtual Machine, also known as the JVM. Java is designed to be simple to read, secure, platform independent, and highly efficient for large applications. Because of this, Java is widely used in real-world software development. Java was created in 1991 by James Gosling and his team at Sun Microsystems. At first, Java was designed for embedded devices, such as smart electronics. However, the team soon realized its potential for internet-based applications. In 1995, Java was officially released to the public and quickly became popular because of its ability to run on multiple platforms. Later, Sun Microsystems was acquired by Oracle, and today Java is developed and maintained by Oracle. Even after more than 25 years, Java remains one of the most important programming languages in the world. So why should you learn Java? First, Java is in extremely high demand. Many major companies rely on Java to build large-scale systems, including banking software, enterprise applications, and backend servers. Second, Java is an excellent language for learning core programming concepts. Its structured syntax helps developers understand how software works at a deeper level. Third, Java is used in many areas, including Android app development, web and backend systems, enterprise software, cloud-based applications. Finally, Java has a huge global community. This means endless libraries, tools, documentation, and learning resources are available. To sum it up, Java is powerful, reliable, and versatile. It has stood the test of time and continues to be one of the best languages to learn for both beginners and professional developers. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next lesson.